Hello friends, we're gathered here again this morning at the camp. Grizzly Adams here, I mean Gator. Well, the newcomers, you can call me Grizzly Adams, but the old guys, you know who I am, eh? It's kind of warmish here, not as warm as it is humid. It's just, well, hang on now, I'll give you an eyeball. I don't know. I don't have my camera guy with me this morning. Hang on. See this? That's the humidity off the air condition upstairs. I turned it on. We have had the camp here. It's a modest camp. We have oops, sorry there. I know I'm zipping all over. Oop. I know I'm zipping all over the place in here. Hang on. I want to zoom you in on what we're going to be doing this morning. Those of you that have been through this, well, you won't be learning nothing. And those that haven't, well, you will. Hopefully, if it's a success story. Okay, before you do anything, should always clean what you're working on, eh? So we'll pretend that this is real clean. It's not bad. Could be a lot better, but then you know how Grizzly is, eh? Don't believe in doing more than he has to. Okay, first off, there's a little. Okay, hang on. Where am I here? We're too zoomed in. These starters. This is a Kawasaki starter, but these starters apply to a lot of different four-wheelers and bikes, and just a wee little thing. And probably what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply to a lot of different starters. Well, what we're gonna do here, try and solve the problem, because this was it needed a few knocks of the hammer on the housing, and then it'd start. So ever you're, oh, well, maybe I should start with that, eh? A lot of mosquitoes here this morning. If you ever stuck and your starter just clicks and it doesn't want to start, odds are it's either the solenoid or it's the brushes. Brushes are sticking. They're not long enough. The springs that are pushing, I'll show you when we get in here. The brushes aren't long enough. I could have took a socket, ratchet I mean, but I like doing it the old way, eh? In the days when we were so poor we couldn't afford a ratchet. Hey, I'd like to apologize to my viewers there about slacking off a little bit there. The kids have left the camp, and when I am down here, well, I must say too that I quite haven't been myself lately. The medical, probably you could call it, reasons, and I just didn't feel like making these videos, so you missed out on a few. But okay, these little oops, where am I? Little pliers. I gotta keep myself. Yeah, a little mosquito here wants to get in on the action. Hang. Oop, I'm not a mosquito killer, but I've been known to swat a few in my day. Getting the feeling, that I'm gonna have to put some glasses on if I can find them. That's the big problem. Oh, here, the $2 Harbor Freight glasses. You ever do this? You always start, well, you're probably not going to end with a clean slate, but you always start off with a clean work surface, more or less. Okay, what we were gonna do here is we were gonna take this little, there's a little, see how easy it is, folks? See? And then clean surface, you put it on there and you're not gonna lose it. Because if, you know, like if you got a workbench like me here, well, I'm not gonna show you because I'm almost ashamed. But, okay. Anyways, needless to say, there's cleaner things than my work. I could put it in plural and say my work benches, because the one at home's not too clean either, eh? Okay, now you gotta be gentle with this. See how easy that came apart? Woo woo. Well, this planetary affair now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this. I didn't expect this, but that's alright. I'm going to put a little bit more grease in here once I'm, well, I didn't expect to have a planetary. This, this needs a lot of cleaning, I'll tell you that. Ooh. This goes here. Here, here, here. Hi, friends. Now you don't lose no shims, okay? If you lose shims, you're gonna end up in the kibosh. You clean it real good. You clean it as good as you can. Now, as long as the kit that I got is the right kit, we'll be in good shape. Now, oh well, okay, we're gonna take this is a rubber. Yeah, I guess so, eh? This goes here, here, here. Well, okay, I'm gonna, my God, a lot of crud in there. I'm gonna show you. Oops, I'm gonna show you the problem. Okay, this is not a $1,000 fix. These starters, $150 and more. Okay, there's all sorts of numbers. Oh, I gotta find it, number 10 metric screw there someplace, because yesterday when I was taking it apart, like you take these, like take them off in a certain order and you put them back in a certain order, because if you don't, you're gonna have a problem. Oh my God. There's a lot of crud here, boy. Okay. Now, there's a part that fell. And I have to find that. It's a little round bushing. And if I don't have that, is it this? Don't think so. It's round. Ah. I don't think so. Yeah. It's always the case, eh? When you take something apart. Yeah. I was trying to be. Well, let's look in here. Oh no. Oh. Here. The piece is right here. The piece that is distance is right here. Then this goes on top. Anyway, okay. Now, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what the problem is. See here? Yeah. See in here? Oops. Right in here. There's a brush in here. See, it's right there. Well, it's got no. This one's shorter. Well, the length. Oops. Hang on. They're the length of the holder, and they should be exceeding that. I'm going to show you the kit. If the kit is the right one. And if it's not, well then we're gonna do something else. We have many irons in the fire, one could say. There. That's quite dirty. Where's that kit? Right here. Okay. I'm just hoping. Let me get in here. Okay. I'm just hoping that the kit. Well, before we open it, I just want to give a shot. This is a 3M. Yeah, it's not a new starter, but hey, this starter is many years old and it's still working very well. So when something's working, you don't fix it, right? I see some guys in there fixing this and fixing that. I'm not gonna see anything. See, okay. Okay, Mr. Congeniality here. It's easy to criticize other people, eh, and what they're doing. This is the armature, eh? Armature's not pitted or shorted out, or we're gonna have to put a little bit of grease on here. The shims are there. Okay, now for the cruncher. Woo woo woo. This goes here. Yes. This goes there. Don't lose nothing now. It's a good thing, eh? Okay. See, this kit comes with a lot of stuff, eh? It's made by Caltrick. Another Another made in China product. I'm sure. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. And they make these, you know why? I'm going to tell you why. They make these because there's many. Oh, see, I have a little nut. You know the nut I was missing there? So everything's here. Perfect. Hey, and look at that, folks. Hang on. See? But I'm gonna show you. Well, I'm gonna try and show you. Yeah. The difference in the length. See the brush here? Oops. Hang on, I always get it. See the brush? Watch. You'll see it protrude at the top here. See, right there. And I still have, once it's flush at the top, I still have about, at least a 1/16 of an inch underneath. The other ones here, they're not even the length of the holder. So needless to say, they've done their day. Now I don't know if this wouldn't have been, no, I wouldn't have been able to change them. So I would have opened up the spring, took the brush out. Sometimes you can change just the brush, but it doesn't look like that. A lot of pieces in here. Put that back in there. There's a bearing. I think that bearing goes in this thing here, which I'm not going to touch. See, so the C-clip, I wouldn't have had to take it out at all. Bushing, oh my God. Hey, look at that. Seals and different seals. Well, hang on now. I see a seal here that I may end up changing. The seal around the starter. Well, first I think I'm gonna clean it up, eh? Because it seems like it's stretched. We'll put the old one here just in case it's not the same. This looks like it's been open before, because there's a dowel here, and why am I off screen there, babbling away? There's a little dowel right here. Oop, right there. And that's supposed to fit. Where's the body? The body's here. Yeah. It will. I'm just getting excited for nothing here. Okay, first things first. I get a tendency sometimes to kind of go off and left field. Okay, well, we leave that there. They have all kinds of bushings in here. That's all. The bushings are if something's loose in here. Something's loose. Well, then you can yeah, tell you something before I keep going here. You should take pictures. Okay? Because I didn't take a picture. And now I'll be sorry. I'll be wondering why I didn't take a picture. So, what size is this? Oh yeah, this is this size. Okay. Now, whoa! See, that's what you're not supposed to do. Okay, now, where were we? Now the brushes are on the inside like that, but the orientation of the piece here. I'm wondering, is there, no, there's none. Why, my friends, my fine feathered friends, okay, we are gonna, so I'm just wondering, see that's, no, I'm gonna put the big washer first. No. Okay. Small washers are both the same. No. Big washer. Yeah. And then the big washer. And then this. We'll put this here. Another one of this. Another one of that. See, friends, it's nobody said it'd be easy. Now I'm gonna put the armature in here. That's the little shims are falling in my hands here. See, there's some shims at that ends. You gotta make sure they don't fall. And there, boom. See how boop, it went in there? That's the way. That's the way it's supposed to go in. You put that in first. Now, we have two. This is the gear in. So this, is this tight enough? I really don't like this. Nope. I'm gonna change this gasket. Hopefully the other one's tighter. Hopefully. I'll see. See, you don't gotta change everything just because they get new stuff. But, oh yes, it is tighter. See, that's what we needed. That's why you give you new gaskets. Sorry, I'm off camera again. Now, where did I say there's a little hang on, I gotta get it right. I think ha, nobody said it'd be easy, eh? I gotta get this right. See, well, I don't have a camera. I do have a camera. You're sitting in it. Those with those telephone cameras, they take pictures, eh? And so it's that's a little shim to keep it tight. Woo woo. A little shim to keep it tight. Doesn't even go there. Where does it go then? Eh? Does it go at the other end? No. Not at the other end. Yes, it goes here. No. Okay. I want to get this right. That's the whole. There's a little groove here. And there's a groove here. Okay, which is okay. Things aren't going too good, eh, folks? Easy sometimes just to say it, but when it comes time to do it, so I was supposed to retain that. I don't like all this carbon stuff on the bench there. Yeah, you gotta retain that. Okay, I'm gonna make a mark. First I should check where's the old set of gears. I should check to see what we have. See, it's right there. Right like that. A little bit more this way. Oh yeah. Okay. Right like that. Boom. Right there. Now. Okay, we still have the shims here, yes. Get in there. Alright. Who? Okay. Huh? Those guys. Probably won't have that on camera. To clean the surfaces, right? See, here's the housing one. See this? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pumps dropping out there. See this part here? It's got two dowels in here. There's just a piece from here to here missing. But that's all, and here to here. So, so the piece beside the dowel stayed in, and the other one just ripped out. I'm gonna clean all that, and we'll be putting that all back in there. Oh my God, look at all the oil here. Ooh la la. Okay, we'll have oil all over the place here, folks. Okay. Hang on, Professor Gator, eh? Things are never good. Things are never good in the shop, eh? They're never clean anyways, I'll tell you that. Okay, nah, it's not Professor Gator. It's, what did I call myself? That guy in the bush there. Grizzly Adams. I'm gonna have to get a clip there. Oh my God, look at my belly. I'm gonna have to get a clip there soon, or else won't be able to recognize me anymore. Okay, I salute you all. I had fun doing this one. I hope you had fun looking at it. Okay, don't forget, if a man builds it, a man can rebuild it. That's the motto for today. All you got to do is take pictures when you take it apart, which I didn't do, but I should tune up on that. But I don't got one. Well, I do, but my phone, it's always off. I don't want to get calls. Okay, salute you all. We'll see you in the next one.